Here. Today I'm going to show you how I put on this hair right here. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you know that this is like the only hairstyle I do anymore because your girl is lazy and I don't want to be washing my hair all the time. Okay? If you guys cannot tell, this is not my real hair. It looks like it, but it's not. It's just a ponytail extension. It's super easy to do, super fast, really cute, and definitely a lifesaver when you have like those days in between hair washes and you want to hide all your greasy roots. So let's get into it. To show you guys what my hair looks like before we start, this is currently how long it is, and I'm sorry if it's very oily. But you know what? This hairstyle is kind of perfect for those days when you want to go in between washes because it totally can just hide your greasy roots. So first what we want to do is brush through it and go with your fingers. Why am I sweating already? Okay, so to start off, you want to locate the middle of your head, which is around here. And from here, you want to kind of draw like a triangle down. So, in the section of this part of your hair. So this is what we're going to be using for the bangs section. So we're going to leave it for now and then tie the rest of your hair back into a high ponytail, as high as you can have it. Okay, now that you have your ponytail, I'm gonna go in with another round of elastic because you need it to be tight. Okay, the key to this hairstyle is all about the tightness. Like how tight you can tie a ponytail. It needs to be really tight. So now it's high and it's tight. And now we're gonna go in with the pony. So this is the ponytail that we're gonna be using. This is the Luxury for Princess 19-inch Glam Ponytail in Hazel Blonde. I'll be linking this exact one down below, so in case you have bleached hair just like mine, you guys can see that it's almost the exact shade. And it's perfect if you also have balayage because this shade is a blend of two different tones of color. So this is what the ponytail looks like from the inside. There's a patch of lace crochet that's holding all the hair together, and then there's a clip. This is a 5-clipped clip, and on the side it comes with a velcro tie around that we're going to secure the ponytail with. I just always make sure to brush it through so that there's no tangles and everything looks great. Also, I want to point out that this is not sponsored in any shape, way, or form. I just personally really love this ponytail. It's synthetic, but it feels just like real hair. It's so silky and so smooth. You can use a brush, you can brush through it, and it's only $36, which, you know, is definitely a more affordable option than all of their real hair. And now's the fun part. We're actually gonna be putting it on. So you wanna be clipping this 5-clip above your own hair tie, so right about here. You guys already know what I'm gonna say next. Make sure you push it in real tight. And then with the sides here, you wanna fold it downwards like this. And then you now have this one strand that we're gonna wrap around. So then when you're done with twisting this little strand all the way around the base of the pony, what you wanna do is save maybe like 3 or 4 inches like this, and then pin it towards the bottom here. Bobby pins. Use one bobby pin to secure the hair, and then use another bobby pin to do like a cross over the hair. Don't worry about how it looks if it's messy at the back of here because no one will see it anyway. The massive pony is gonna cover everything up. And so the back looks like this right now. I can't see it because I don't have a mirror back there, but I don't imagine it looking very neat or perfect, but don't worry about it because once we let this down, gonna cover everything. Okay, so now once that is done, we now need to work on the front part of our bangs. So again, just brush through your bangs to make sure they're smooth. And then what you wanna do is you wanna segment them all onto one side, just like this. And then have a finger under like this. And then grab it with your other finger and push it all the way behind your ear like this. The reason we wanna have our finger here is so we can create this kind of, what do you call this? Like a curve almost. You don't want to like flat against your skull. I mean, if you want to, it's fine too, but I personally prefer it when there's some kind of like, running out of words, flow to the way that my bangs are sitting on my face. And you can totally play around with where you want your bangs to sit. So For example, if you want it super tight, you can pull it all the way like this. But if you want it to be kind of soft and framing your forehead in a way, especially your eyebrow area, then this is a good way to go about it. Once you've decided on the curvature for your bangs, you just want to push it behind your ear like this and secure it with a bobby pin at the back of your ear. And then we're gonna fix it again with a cross motion. And so this is basically it. You can just stop here if you have relatively shorter bangs, but if you're like me and your bangs go all the way down here, you might want to take another bobby pin, wrap this around the base of your neck like this, and pin it at the back where the rest of the messy pins were. Finally, you just want to go in with your brush again and fix any of the parts that might have been tangled during your process. And if you want to go in with hairspray to fix up this place, you could. I don't like it because I don't like the way hairspray makes my hair crunchy. You can even add some decor to the ponytail, like a scrunchie here. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It's definitely more like soft girl looking. I freaking love this hairstyle, okay? Like, no joke, this hairstyle is becoming one of my new favorite hairstyles. You might have seen it in a lot of my videos. It's so easy to do, it's super fast, and the more you do it, the more you'll get the hang of things and the more flawless your ponytail will get. So I highly suggest you guys to learn it. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Talking is hard. But in any shape, way, or foam, but